Welcome to EveryRoad Driving School Learner Guide video, where we aim to have you drive every road with skill.
Hi there, welcome to the video. We will shortly be turning right into Philanthropic Road. A slightly tricky right turn due to the turning box being at an angle. I would suggest using first gear as you move into the box, as you need to be 100% sure. Vision of oncoming cars is not easy, even at a slow speed. Make sure if you have to stop, your car is in the box and not blocking the road. And we have arrived Philanthropic Road. It sometimes can be as difficult to drive as it is to say. Our journey starts with a steady up movement. It's not uncommon, if clear of parked cars or coaches, that you may be asked to pull over on the left, resulting in that learner favorite, a hill start. If the road does have a lot of parked cars, buses, or coaches, then a meeting situation can be on the cards, so make sure to plan ahead. As we reach the top part of this section, the road bends around to the left and gets just a little bit steeper and a lot more narrow. You must be aware of your car position because of that wall on the left feeling very close. So let's hope that we don't meet any cars at this part, and we certainly don't want to see a 4x4 or van. Well, that was lucky. Now we're in the main section of the road. It's more of a lane than a road, so make sure we're in a good position at all times. The speed sign was informing us it's a national speed limit road, meaning, yep, 60 miles per hour. Rest assured, we will not be expected to get anywhere near that number. Just on the left is our first waiting spot, that driveway entrance. Not much, but we'll have to do should we need it. The next place to give way is a little bigger, but at the same time, we need to judge the single-track part of the road. Don't forget a right door mirror check before moving into the middle of the road. Also, don't try and make space for an oncoming car once you're in the middle. Once the road becomes wider, move back to the left, and we can see a center line in the road, which will be key for this next section. Now we can see more ahead and the road is getting a little bit wider. You can and should increase your speed, but we are still not going to reach the speed limit. Speaking of that, the road sign on the right-hand side means it's changed to a 40 miles per hour road now. Looking ahead, the road bends to the right. Also, have a look at the center line as it bends. The other side of the road becomes very narrow, meaning cars will be using your side. So again, keep left. Speaking of left, what's the road sign coming up? A stop junction in 100 yards. From here till the end of the road, we need to be reducing our speed so that we are under control and getting prepared to stop. And there it is, the end of a very tricky and dangerous road. You will most certainly turn right at the next two junctions, which are close together, as you're heading back towards the Redhill Driving Test Centre. That's all from me, but remember, drive every road with skill watching these videos.
Welcome to EveryRoad Driving School Learner Guide video, where we aim to have you drive every road with skill.